it's about me as well, and it's going to impact my life, and that's why I care. Some of the people think that because they can't vote, this is not their issue, which I believe that it should be the other way around. So I obviously try to present arguments to present my point of view, that this is even more the reason for you to get involved, because you can't have a say, but yet it is going to affect you.
In a way, it's almost irrelevant where the vote takes place. It's a cause I very much believed in, and I've believed in for a number of long years, you know. So it just so happens that I'm living in Ireland, I'm studying in Ireland, and this just happens to be right in front of everybody. So because I believe in it so much, it is something that I am going to fight for and to campaign for, even if I myself don't actually have an official vote.
So I think when you arrive to a country like Ireland, which maybe seem to have more liberal laws, and then you find out that if a woman is pregnant and cannot access healthcare she might need, or even if her health is in danger just because she's pregnant, that kind of creates really a strong feeling of injustice and will maybe to change it. And so of course when a referendum comes, or if there is an opportunity to change it, of course I think me and so many other women in this country were very, very happy to join.
I feel, and I believe that from the time of the conception, we have a life, and it's basically one of us, so and that little person there, the only way to defend herself or himself is through the help of other people, so if we don't just put our voice out there, here that little baby, can speak, so somebody must just speak for them.
If you look at the cases of the big cases in Ireland, like Mrs. Y, like Savita Halpanover, those were all migrant women. The 8th Amendment has affected migrant women a lot, and this is shown with these cases, for example.
It's easy to get tired, it's easy to get browbeaten. So the fact that I almost don't have a say and I'm reliant on everyone else, it does work as a fire to get you to go out to hand out that one more leaflet, put that one more post-it up, to talk to that one more person. It pushes you along, actually, I found.
Reactions are very different, so it's anything between, yeah, this is not my thing, I don't care, to, yes, I have to get involved because this is the only way I can express my opinions.
I will be more open to discuss and get more information from experts, from scientists, from doctors and all of that, definitely, but no to the completely unrestricted, situation that we could be facing soon,
Being pro-life is about being pro-life. You are pro the life of the mother, the woman, and the life of the baby as equals. So it's not simply a case of being pro-birth. We just want the woman to have the baby and that's it. It's a case of being pro-life. It's about campaigning for better healthcare for women in Ireland. It's about demanding better pre- and postnatal support, facilitating adoption agencies so that a woman in a crisis pregnancy does not need to feel that abortion is her only option.
It's about me as well, and it's going to impact my life, and that's why I care. I think it's as simple as that.